powder because I like it to be spicy, and then chili flakes, like you can add them, and then oregano. Can you see the oregano? Yes, that's oregano. Add some, and then saute them nicely. Saute them. Then you can add the lime juice because you get a sauce. You can add the brown sugar, which is the meat. At this stage, you can add the chopped onions and tomato. You can add them. Apply the butter. Apply the butter. And then, for now I'll do for one bread. And then add the mozzarella cheese. Do this like this. You can add them. And then add tomato sauce. And then add this chicken stuffed. You can add them nicely. And then again you can add this oregano. Then chili flakes. Now you can add this cheese on top, like this.
Yeah.
Apply some butter. Current butter put number bread pizza place பண்ணிடலாம். So இந்த தவால ரெண்டு தான் வைக்க முடியும். Fish. Next close பண்ணிடலாம். Or 5 minutes, let's close it. Bye bye. Delicious.